To make Aksara's Sri Lankan fish curry, first, wash your hands. Add vegetable oil to a small oven-proof dish. Then, add black mustard seeds, fennel seeds, fenugreek seeds, curry leaves, and mix it. Carefully cut the ends off 2 long shallots. Peel off the papery skin. Carefully cut the shallots in half. Then cut them into smaller pieces. Add the pieces to the casserole dish, then mix it all again. Cover the casserole dish with foil and ask a grown-up to put it into the oven for a while. This will release the flavours of the spices and soften the onions. Take a bowl of dry tamarind that has been soaked in water and break it up with your hands. Then pour the soaked tamarind into a sieve over a bowl. And push the soaked tamarind through the sieve and scrape the paste that comes through into the bowl. Put the tamarind paste into a large casserole dish. Tip in the chopped tinned tomatoes. Add some coconut milk. Then add garlic puree. Mild chilli powder. Be careful of your eyes. Ground turmeric. Ground coriander. And mix it. Add the cooked and cooled shallots and spice mixture. And you've guessed it, mix it. Ask a grown-up to help you check some white fish fillets for bones. Then place the fish on top of the sauce in the casserole dish. Don't forget to wash your hands after touching raw fish. Put on the lid and ask a grown-up to put the dish into the oven for you. When the fish curry is cooked and slightly cooled, it's ready to eat. The sauce has thickened up and you can even add some coriander on top for decoration. Please make sure that no one eating this is allergic to any of the ingredients in the recipe. This is a My World Kitchen Amber recipe to be eaten occasionally.